I'm Mohammed Ismail. I have 12 plus years of IT experience. And I'm based out of Chicago, Illinois, USA. I came to know about this training program through one of my friends who has forwarded a WhatsApp message. Luckily, I picked up the WhatsApp message and I joined the inaugural session of this training. And I felt this topic trainer is going to cover is going to help me for my career and for my growth. Alhamdulillah, you should know about this trainer, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim. He has immense of knowledge to share with you. As a student, you need to use his time wisely. And we have a good supporting study material. It's uploaded in the IT Expert Academy portal. You have to spend some time. You have to go through the documents, the videos. Dr. Muhammad